Today, I'm going to bring this empty jar to life and turn it into a self-sustaining ecosystem with its own miniature pond. Let's see if I can do it. To start, I place 2 large rocks to act as a separation layer from the water and the dirt. Then I start the drainage layer. I'm using pebbles. This helps with water drainage and stops mould and root rot in plants. Next I add the soil onto one side of the terrarium, keeping the other side empty so I have room to put the pond in. Once it's in, I spread it around to make it even across the surface. I try and slope it to the back a little bit to add some depth. This is the sand I'm going to be adding into the terrarium. I start by carefully pouring it into the small open area I've made for it. Once it was all in, I spread it out to fill the entire pond area. Now it's time to add some plants. I'm starting with some moss from my garden. Next I'll be adding this polka dot plant into the middle of the terrarium to add a focal point. As you can see, I added a small fern in as well near the back, but the video of me doing that has vanished, so I don't really know where that went. Next I added some water from a stream nearby. This will be for the small pond. Next I added the water. I did this in a really awkward way, so it made a bit of a mess. I added some more sand down the side of the glass to make it look a little bit better, and this is how it turned out. Next I added some spiderwood in. This made it look like roots were growing into the water, and I think it looks really nice. Next I added some isopods. These will eat any mould in the terrarium and stop outbreaks of rot in the plants. I think isopods are really cool because they look like ancient herbivores from dinosaur times. If anyone knows why this isopod was waving its butt up and down, let me know in the comments because I have no idea why it did this. And finally, this is what my terrarium looked like in the end, and I hope yours look similar. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and checked out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.